Aga jingtmu ban pen state pat ya shakman ban wanra ka smart cities mission hakani ka nongba Shillong ka Sorkar Jylla mena ka arpsaw tarik mentau benai ka ladap ban Thaw ka state level high power steering committee pakenthop ya khandringot ki he Sorkar na kitanat trekam baper habai kren bat kilat pathai kubor ka menteri ka tanat penroi sor ka kong amprin lingdo ka layathu baikani ko komiti ladap ban menjur menha ka arpsaw tarik mentau benai daga jingtmu bakani ka komiti kan don penta hakaman ai jingyaram bat ban ai jingmut yakani ka mission yakani ka komiti la lam khamat doba PBO warjri chief secretary ka Jylla barkiwei ki he Sorkar ki bana ka tanat finance urban affairs PHE PWD MECL barkiwei kiwei.
So this is the opportunity to give town committees their due recognition, but the district council will have to participate in the matter, and the funding will be therefore through the district council. So we will need at least 1,000 acres of land for a project to be eligible. So residents have to come forward, and funding is directly given to the local self-government. It does not come to the state government at all. So if one town committee is eligible, this town committee along with its district council will be the main route for the funds. We will just initiate, and we will forward their names to the government of India.